What's good? What's good, y'all? What's good, fam? It is the next day. It's June 1st, 2026. I just woke up. Gonna get ready to head out. It's currently like 6:38, 6:40. Yeah, I'm gonna go take a shower, get ready and stuff. Pack the rest of my stuff, and then we finna get rolling. We getting a rental. My boy Evan's gonna pick up. Oh yeah, I got a new co-driver. A friend of mine. He ended up going through the hiring process, and he's with me now. He moved to my company. We finna be co-drivers now, so y'all gonna meet Evans. Yeah, he's gonna pick up the rental at 7:30. He gonna come pick me up. And we're gonna head to Orlando. Yeah. All my stuff ready. My bin. I had to stuff some clothes in there. I got some more stuff like some plates of food and stuff like that. Yeah. Water. You ready?
Exact.
What it do? Hey boy, we in the car right now. My dog getting something to eat real quick. Feel me? We got a little Mitsubishi. Sounds like. And yeah, we finna hit the road. We've been doing little errands real quick. We're supposed to have been on the road, I ain't gonna lie. But we hit the road. But we're gonna have like a 3 hour drive, 3 and some change. Probably close to 4 depending on how traffic is. And I'm gonna get to it though. The start of a new chapter. Got my dog Evans. I'm gonna make y'all gonna meet Evans soon, but he's not in the car right now. We finna go get this money, man. Yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when we back on the road and we rolling. Just deposit that bread, boy. Some moolah. Find some gas on this dime. Yeah. Finna be out of here soon, but hit the road for real this time. We've been playing too much. Too many stops. We back on the road, bro. We made it. We made it. We made it, man. The break area. But we made it. What's all those PCs? But we finna wait. Do some sport. Do some ab workouts. Some pull-ups and stuff. While I wait, you gotta, you know, my dog, Evan's back there. Since he's, new to the company, he's gonna have to do orientation and stuff. So I'm gonna just hang out. And wait. And we also gotta, we getting a new truck too. So we gonna have to wait for the truck to be ready for us. But we might not even hit the road today. We might hit the road tomorrow or even Wednesday. We gonna see how long this process take though. But yeah, some ping pong. Nice office, man. Yeah, that we about to start working out right now. About to do some abs real quick. Well, yeah, look at that, boy. Yeah. Everybody on break right now. It's so quiet in here. Well, I'm finna eat, boy. I've been waiting to eat. Nice little drive. Ready to eat, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna let y'all know what's going on. Can't wait to get our new truck, though. Yeah. But we left the office, kind of find out. So my company, it was like two different companies within one like building, I guess. And they like split it in half. I didn't even know that the whole time. I thought the whole office was for just my company. But now they moved companies. They didn't even tell us the address. But we here though. At the new low. Let's see what's going on. But hey, the other company recruited us though. We're gonna see. They pay. The pay is. Oh my goodness. They make you want to jump right on the spot and switch companies, but we're gonna see what we got going on over here though. We got Enterprise right now. Returning the car. We got our truck not ready. We ain't got a truck yet, man. So we gotta get a whole little hotel for the night. Take it for the night. And tomorrow, hopefully tomorrow we be on the road. We should be on the road tomorrow. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Yeah. Grab our stuff out the Uber. Yeah. It's pretty nice. Man, I didn't even know this thing was in front of a jail, bro. That's crazy. It's in front of a jail. But it's a vibe though. It's chilling. Vibing. Two beds, yeah. Trying quick for the night, bro. We just trying to get through this night so we can hit the road. But it's chilling though. Nothing too fancy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Morning on. Chilling. Eating a little Haitian bread with peanut butter. Got some tea. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna kick it, relax, take a shower. Yeah. Chill for the night. Got some food from home. I'm gonna tear that thing up tonight. Yeah, man. I might catch you on the next vlog, or tomorrow. I might continue this vlog tomorrow. We will see though. Yeah. Yo, June 2nd. It's the next day. I already took a shower and stuff. And right now I'm finna go see what we got to eat. They said it's free breakfast. Hey, let me take a look at it. Pull down there. So, I'm gonna just take this stairs, bro. The elevator, I don't like it that much. me show y'all what they got for breakfast. We gonna decide we gonna eat it. Ooh. Finna eat a little bit. Then we finna go back to the office or the yard, one of them. So we get this truck, bro. So we're getting. I'm about to make some waffles. Trying out. Waffles. You want gummy syrup? That's what I got. I'm gonna eat this up. Some jelly. Yeah. Alright, I'm done. I am done. This was too much. Hey, that breakfast was alright. It was vibing. I'm not really much of a breakfast person, but I ate some. I'm full. I ain't full, but I'm satisfied. Yeah, I'm on the third floor, second floor. Yeah. That breakfast was decent. I like the waffles. I ain't much of a breakfast person. I don't really like eating breakfast like that. I'll be eating like later on in the day. But hey, free breakfast. Why not? Why not take advantage of it? You know, it's free. Yeah, we finna get ready to head back to the office or the yard, wherever they tell us to go. And we're gonna get our truck and stuff. So we at the yard now. They giving us a beat up truck. Yeah. It's a beat up truck, and this truck is from another company. They're giving us, they transferring it to our company. But it's a beat up truck, man. What they got going on? Let's give us a beat up truck. But yeah, we was at the office. Now we at the yard. We gotta pick up this truck, go back to the office, put our stuff in the truck, and go to the other yard. Yeah, it's a little process. But man, why they gonna make a beat up truck, man? What's up with them? Is it open? Let me see if it's locked. The interior is cool, man. The interior is nice though. Pretty decent. The interior is decent, but it's a beat up truck, man. I like the brand. Man, this truck buns. You gotta go to the shop to get some stuff on it, cause this truck, sheesh. But we finna go to the shop. I might start a new vlog, like moving in the truck and stuff and cleaning it and all that. This is crazy. I'm finna head to the shop right now. Head to the shop. Get this thing ready, man. We made it to the shop, man. Gotta fix this mirror, boy. Ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Whoever had this truck before us, well, that's from the other company, but man, I believe the number on this truck. Can't be walking around, driving around, getting crazy like this, man. People won't think we did it. But hey, as long as this thing run good, what is this money? Driving. You know, we gotta be safe as possible. Gotta make sure this truck is good. Yeah, I'm gonna get this thing fixed up. I'm gonna go back to the office after this, clean the inside and move in the truck. Move in, put our stuff in there, and we'll be ready, good to go. Be back at the office with the truck. I'm gonna start cleaning it up a little bit. Right now I'm signing a new contract, so Evan's getting a kickstart, a little head start on the cleaning while I'm signing this contract and stuff. Yeah, cleaning, man. Gotta take out this stuff, man. I'm making progress, though. Making good progress. Fridge. We working with something. We got a whole bunch of cleaning products, cleaning products everywhere. We trying to clean this thing up. So good, cleaning products everywhere. But let me get rid of this old shit. Yeah, we'll get with y'all when we're done cleaning. Some more cleaning stuff. I just got done spraying stuff and it's strong, yeah. This mattress is good, boy. It's hot, bro. It's hot. We're at the yard now to come and they're gonna install some. They're gonna install some like cameras, safety devices, all that, stickers. We're gonna be rolling soon. We might get a load to later for today. We might start heading to our new pickup. Hopefully we get a load. A good one too. Yeah. We are good to go. We waiting for a load. Now look at this. 604 hours of sleep. That's crazy. Put this on there. This is a blanket my sister made for me when I was in football. Put your records on, man. Number two, man. Let me see that bad one. Records on. Yeah, I'm gonna fix this junk up right now. So now I'm gonna put my stuff up here now. like a little trash thing. I'll put my little trash like paper and stuff like that. Nothing that'll get rotten, or I don't want to put food in here. Just little stuff that won't cause no smell or anything. You know, like little bottle caps, stuff like that. Just put it in here. Got some cool bags. Gotta put some bags in here. Our yard, we at the yard. We finna camp here at the yard tonight. We was finna get a load right tonight to go to Pennsylvania, but there's some stuff they gotta do on the truck, some repairs and stuff, and we're finna do that tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll probably head out. We should head out tomorrow. So I'm gonna go to Walmart right now, get some stuff, some waters and stuff like that. We're gonna chill for the night. Yeah, Walmart with it. Big park right there. Gonna do a little shopping, man. Gonna get to it. Or I'm gonna leave the tripod here at the truck. Actually, I'm gonna take it with me. We're gonna go buy some stuff. We got some downtime. I gotta take advantage of it. We're working with so far. So we working with. We got the stuff in the truck. Now it's time to start organize this joint. But yeah, I like this truck. I like the interior of this truck. I like the brown. It's a vibe. It's my little brother's birthday, y'all. You know, we seen happy birthday on the phone. Come on, y'all can start. Bro, you're not gonna start.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Why you like gonna start? Happy birthday, dear Peter. Happy birthday to you. Peter, how you feeling, dog? How you feel, bro?
I think it's sad. I think it's sticking out here.
Dang, it's all right. All right, Peter, let me tell you something. Go under my bed, and there's a box. Pull it out.
Wait, go first. Go first. It's fucking.
Peter, go under my bed. There's a box. just being a big bag trying to eat the cake, bro. That big ass piece of cut for yourself. Stop running, stop running. Put that box out right there. Take it to the living room. You can lift it, you can lift it. It's not too heavy. Jig can't lift it by himself. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That box big, bro. Alright, you gonna open it? You gotta get a knife, bro. Wait, let me see it. Let me see Peter. Where Peter at? Oh shoot.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome, bro. You like it? Peter,
Yo.
you like it? Huh? It comes with a stand. It comes with a chair. It comes with a whole bunch of stuff. Got the whole setup, boy. Now you gonna be playing some good music. Some good music, bro. Yeah, that's the part. That's the tough part about being trucking, man. You miss out on stuff, man. You miss out on stuff, dog. That's for the That's to put the music sheet or whatever you want to use. It has the note, like where you can put the notes and stuff. Yeah, that's a tough part about being trucking stuff. You miss out. I miss my girlfriend's birthday in April. I'm missing my little brother's birthday in June. I'm gonna miss my dad's birthday next week. I'm missing out on a lot of stuff, so. But, hey, that's what came with it, though. That's what comes with trucking. That's what I signed up for. Back at the yard now. Back at the yard. That's it. That's it for this vlog. We start a new vlog. And we start get our load and stuff like that. Yeah. Go to sleep, chill. And get back with y'all tomorrow. Yeah, be easy, man. Be easy. Good morning, good night. Hope y'all enjoyed. Hope y'all liked this video. Let me know what y'all want to see next. What y'all like to see. Yeah. Good night, y'all. See you on the next one.